Right now, chilly out there, and you'll notice a few clouds to start off the morning. A light breeze out of the east, 59 degrees at the Phoenix airport right now. But notice across the valley, it is a cold morning for many of you out there. Good morning to everyone out in Surprise and Goodyear, clocking in just at 52 degrees at this hour. A little warmer further inland in the valley, 56 in Tempe, 55 in Ahwatukee. But out in the East Valley, 51 in Gilbert, 49 in Queen Creek this morning. Safe to say it is cold out there. That is fair to say. So if you are getting out early, make sure that you put that extra layer on this morning to start off your run. But you'll be shedding those layers not too long after a while. We'll be into the 60s by 8 o'clock. We'll hit the 70s by 10, and then by lunchtime we'll be in the upper 70s. We will continue to warm from there though. Temperatures across the state right now, Flagstaff only starting off at 40 degrees this morning, so a lot warmer for you up there than we've seen the last couple of mornings. You're not even close to freezing for once. Heber, though, a little closer to that freezing mark. Window Rock sitting right at it. Along our western border, we're in the mid 50s to low 60s to start off your morning. Forecast highs for today. We're going to look at the mid 80s along our western border. Down to Yuma will be the hot spot, clocking in at 90 degrees today. A little further inland, 80 degrees the high for Casa Grande. Much cooler in Show Low, 57 for you. Same with Heber. Sedona going to look really nice, though. 70 degrees, your forecast high. Now, we are looking at those clouds to wake up this morning here in the valley. We're going to see them clear for the rest of the day, and then tonight we'll see another little band of clouds pass by the valley. We'll notice them build a little bit here, and then more clouds to start the morning tomorrow. And as we move through the next 2 days, we'll see just a little bit more cloud cover, but we will stay dry. Those clouds just helping to keep our temperatures nice and moderate. Of course, it is homecoming weekend, so for anybody heading out to the homecoming game, it's going to be 77 degrees at kickoff, which is 1 o'clock this afternoon. Just a light breeze there as the Devils take on Utah State. Throughout the game by halftime, we'll warm into the 80s, and our forecast high for today in Tempe is going to be 81. Other parts of the valley, 82 in Levine and Deer Valley, 82 in Surprise and Goodyear as well. A little cooler up in Anthem at 80 degrees. Cave Creek cooler still at 78. The forecast for the next 3 days is going to look pretty similar one day after the next. 82 degrees for the next couple of days, but the difference being those clouds moving in later this evening, and they're going to stick around for your Sunday and Monday, but we will stay dry, and those overnight lows are going to continue to dip us down into the 50s. We do have another cool down coming though. These 80s won't last for long. I'll show you when in that 7-day forecast a little later this morning.